radio going on. I'm a little jealous, right? I thought they were doing copy on no popcorn here in San Paul.
I think so, you Jackie.
They're probably in the shower now and they're getting all dressed up to get on the radio. I don't know why. But we appreciate talking to this Crusader, Palm Beach, Florida. We'll be on the side. How about that doorknob? Hey, doorknob, you got a copy on popcorn down here in the San Paul. That Watergate on there, I'd love to hear what this radio sounds like. Trying to find out what this radio sounds like there, 295, Mr. Copperhead, man. I got you up on YouTube, so no doubt about it. Doing pretty good there, Colt 45. How's your evening going? Doing pretty good. Road rage is gay, don't worry about him. You can't hear road rage when I'm keyed down anyway, so it's all good. He likes to think that he's just mad that I key down on him all the time and I don't let him talk.